Who am I and who are they? I am Krishna Das, Radha Dasi. And I try in my own way to preach to my children, or preach to myself, or preach to someone, preach to my mind. He's a very big, very difficult person. I've been trying to preach to him for years. He just won't surrender. I've given him so much prasadam. I've taken him on so many yatras. I've taken him to meet so many sadhus. I've asked him to perform so many Ekadasi Vratas. But still my mind this guy, Mr. Mind, Mr. Man, he just won't surrender to Krishna. Even I put neck beads around, I gave him neck beads to wear. I gave him a set of japa beads. But still, for 37 years I'm preaching to this guy named Mr. Man, and he still won't surrender. You follow? He's the most difficult person to preach to. I have so many students I brought to Krishna consciousness, somehow or other, and so many businessmen and married people. But this guy, it's our own mind. Mr. Man, it's me.